Hey everyone, Andy Raffel from eTeknix.com and welcome to another video. This time we're looking at the Silicon Power Diamond D30. It may look like we've got two here, but they are quite similar yet dissimilar. One of them is typically for someone who's on the go. It's slim, it's portable, everything that you could want. The other one, a little bit thicker but comes in larger capacities. So let's jump right in and have a look at the Diamond D30 and the Diamond D30L. As we said, the Diamond D30 comes in two variants, the D3S and the D3L. Physically, they both share the same length and width, 126mm by 81.2mm. And the only noticeable difference is in the thickness. The D3S has a thickness of 10.4mm, while the D3L has a thickness of 21.1mm, and there's a very good reason why. Both are made from plastic and have a nice premium feel, and a sleek black and red look that will fit in anywhere, be it a home, school or office environment. Although it should be noted that black is your only colour choice. Depending on the model, your D30 will weigh in at anything from 136.5 grams all the way up to 242 grams. There is little wasted space here, and the whole product, including the external chassis, is only slightly larger than the drive itself. The design is classy looking, with the drives designed to look a bit like a notebook, where the red bookmark doubles as a nice sliding protector for the USB port. Both D30s come with an LED light to indicate data transfer activity and power status. All models are IPX4 rated, meaning that it will survive a few splashes here and there, but only when the sliding cover is closed to protect the inside. With this in mind, it's worth keeping the USB cover sealed when the drive's not in use. The rhombus patterning on the outer shell gives it a good grip, and it does wonders to avoid fingerprints and scratches. It just looks nice and professional too, and is the source of the drive's Diamond name. Capacity is the main difference between the D3S and the D3L. The slimmer D3S comes in 500GB, 1TB and 2TB varieties, while the larger D3L comes in 2TB, 3, 4 and 5TB varieties. Both models come with a USB 3.1 Gen 1 connector, but are fully backwards compatible with USB 3.0 and USB 2.0. Silicon Power claim a fast data transfer rate due to this connector, but of course as a spinning disk, this speed will never be amazing. No external power is required here, as the D30s have a USB powered bus. They support Windows 10, 8.1, 8, 7, Vista and XP. They also support macOS 10.5.x or above and Linux kernel 2.6.x or above. In the box for each variety, you get a USB cable and a user manual, and the drive comes with a 3-year warranty. You can also download the free SP Widget software for data backup and restore options. This also includes AES 256-bit encryption and cloud storage capabilities. So as you can see guys, we have two very different drives, but also very similar drives. They sent us both in 2TB form, but they do come in different capacities. Obviously with the slimmer drive, you have got sort of lower capacities, and then with the larger drive, you have got anywhere up to 5TB, which is absolutely fantastic for those who are on the go. So hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, remember to subscribe to get great video content like this directly to your inbox. Remember to give us a thumbs up and also comment, and we will see you in the next video. See you later.